Hi guys, it is box unveiling time. I've not looked in yet. I have just cut the tape off the box, so I'm going to open this with you. I just want to say that this fabric is from LA. It is handmade in their factory in LA, so it's made in the United States and is sustainable. Just a real quick brief background on it. That sustainable fabric is good for the environment, and it does not come in prints. Very rarely is it in prints, and if it is, it's usually custom made, and I just not even going there right now. So 75% of my line will be sustainable. Most of the print fabric is not. Part of it is, but not 100%. So the print fabric that I love prints. If you've been following me, you know I love prints. So my top and my vest that'll be in the line starting, that'll be launched starting next month. In March on Kickstarter. The top and vest, they'll be in solid prints, and then the maxi dress that converts to 5 separates, that will be in prints and solid. So right now we're just opening the stuff for the top and the vest, so here it goes. All right, we're gonna open the box. This is probably way more fun for you than it is for me, right? Just kidding. Wow. Okay. So first of all, I'm a little irritated that I just paid $400 for fabric and they're just thrown in a box with no plastic or anything around it. But don't you hate when you get packages like that? I mean, ugh. And I paid $60 to ship it here from LA. So insane. But, yeah, so I went with just basic colors for the samples, like white and gray and the heather gray and black. This striped fabric is actually for fall. I figured if I'm paying shipping of $60, I might as well get my sample for fall from them. And like I said, all of this is sustainable. And if you guys have ever felt Tencel before, it is so soft. And this is like a brushed cotton. It feels like butter. I know that sounds weird, but it really does. So the ribbed and solid, those will be for the vest. And then like this soft cotton terry fabric, ivory and black, that right now is for the top that I'm doing for summer. So there you have it. There's the fabrics. Can't wait to show you guys the pattern.